Hi, and welcome back to the channel We Don't Know Cars. My name is Trey, and today we're going to be working on my Chevy. Chevrolet. It's a Chevy. Anyways, if y'all watched that video, which, I mean, about 1,600 of you did, which is super cool, by the way. I picked this thing up about a year ago in the desert. Put a picture here. If you haven't seen that video, go watch it. I got this truck for free. So anyways, it's been a great truck. There are some things that I didn't film that I have done to it since I got it. A couple of things became immediately necessary. Not long after getting it, the radiator started leaking really bad, and then the water pump was leaking. So it does have a brand new water pump, a brand new double core aluminum radiator. It got a new alternator a couple months ago when it actually had a reman, so it had been replaced before. I'm not actually sure when. We could probably look at the cowl and there, the little fan shroud there, and see. But the bearings in that alternator went out and it was junk. So I replaced that. I replaced the serpentine belt tensioner and the serpentine belt. So all that has been done. It has had a couple of oil changes, and today we're going to do a brand new AC compressor as well as an oil change. Let's see here, maybe it says, there you go. So that was the last time the alternator was done. So when I replaced that, it was probably like, I don't know, 214 or something. So decent amount of mileage on that, 100,000 or so. I think it probably should have lasted a little longer myself, but whatever. It's got a brand new reman unit there. So yeah, I got my brand new compressor here. We're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of oil in her, get this one off of here, and we'll get her done. So yeah. Now, I'm not a big AC guy. I'll admit, I really don't care about having air conditioning. You know, my 4Runner, it doesn't have AC that works. It does have optional air conditioning, but you know, it doesn't work. There it is. All sad, broken. But that's okay. I'll make sure I get that back to 1. There we go. But I'm moving to Texas, and this driver window does not roll down. So it is hot already, and where I'm at in Colorado, I know it's going to be just as hot down there. And honestly, I've just been so miserable not being able to have both windows down. When it's 100 plus degrees outside, it's almost unbearable. So I decided to bite the bullet, and we'll go ahead and get the air conditioning working on this rig. So I'll just set you guys up, and we're just going to get her done. I may or may not be doing the steering gearbox in this video. I did tie rod ends a couple months ago. I was going to do ball joints and all that stuff, but everything's factory and riveted, and I didn't want to do it because I'm lazy. So that may happen this video. It may not. I don't know. I only have a couple days. So we'll see how motivated I am. But I'll just set you guys up and we'll get to it. Okay. Get this off of here. Is that what I wanted? It said add oil there, right? Pre-charged. Set recommended amount and type. Add oil here is what it said. So yeah, guess we're just gonna do it. I don't know. I've never done this before, so I really don't know what I'm doing. We're gonna hope that I don't break it, because it was expensive. So there's that. Okay, well, I'm going to assume I add oil to that hole. There. I think it said about 8. It's pre-charged with 3. And this is an 8-ounce thing here, so I'll just put a little over half of this in there. Ow, fuck. Just scratch myself with the screw. I was using to open this container. Okay, just so everybody knows, this is not a how-to on, like, this is not me being, informative on how to do this. I'm just filming it because I haven't filmed anything in a while. Hopefully this isn't going to break this. Guess we'll find out. It's about half. I don't know. We're going to find out. I should make this have a pouring thing. I don't know. The more the merrier, I guess. I don't know if it would hurt it if I just poured it all in there, you know? That's probably fine. Okay, well, I don't know. We're gonna find out if that is fucked up or not when I go to use this thing. I'm really tempted just to pour the whole thing in there, to be honest with you. Is that a bad idea? I feel like there's still a lot in here. We're just going for it, man. What's the worst that can happen, you know? I'm just going for it. Okay, that could be a bad idea. I don't know. We'll find out. Should be fine. I'm not too worried about it. It'll be fine. It'll be alright. It'll be okay. Everything's okay. I don't know if I put this back on or not. I'm going to. I don't know. Guess we'll find out if there's one on the other one or not. Imagine there's supposed to be something there. Okay. Well, that's full now. I don't know. Maybe we did that right. Maybe we didn't. Yeah, right here. Oh yeah. There we go. We'll get this one off here. I think the worst part's going to be all the damn connections. I already made sure there wasn't any pressure in things. So there's not pressure in the system anymore. And I'm short, so I gotta find something to stand on. All the connections off here. Oh, that's gonna suck. Oh. Just don't die. Oh, I'm gonna die. Oh, come on now, you son of a bitch. Could just do it that way. I don't really care. It's not gonna hurt my feelings any. It's fucking 17 millimeter. Good God. I love this. This is so much fun. All my damn tools are at. Okay, that should do it. Sorry for the anglage. I cannot get the tripod any higher. So, there we go. Fucking. Might need a new radiator cap, maybe. Come on now. Okay. I didn't say it. I wasn't ready. Just go ahead and pop that off. Awesome. Okay. Maybe if I'm lucky, I don't have to pull the whole thing apart. Maybe I can just, loosen shit and go that way with it and just like slide it out. I don't know. We're gonna find out. I ain't ever done this before, so there we go, folks. Let's see here. Maybe I can get this up just a little bit taller. There we go. It's gonna be the most riveting video you've ever seen in your whole life. I'm telling you what. Oh, that's the wrong number. Come on. Okay, what do we need to do here? It's like 1 volt back here. Oh yeah, well, that's where the oil goes, so I'll have to take that green thing off. That's okay. Let me get this out of the way real quick. Some more room here. It's hot outside. It's hot in this engine bay. It's just great. I have an appointment in a couple of hours to get this charged, so I have to get this done quickly and efficiently without dying again. The stool is going to kill me, so we're not using it anymore. Okay. There we go. Thank you for your contributions. Can you see? Okay. I need something to stand on that is not going to move so much. Because for real. Keep this under me. That's a little firmer. There we go. It's probably a 15. There we go. It's a bad spot for this. And it's like 1,000,000 degrees. So that's pretty cool. We have a new one of them. Put it over there, just in case. Drop the stupid wing nut. This thing is nifty, by the way. They should do this on every car. Add a little light like this. Okay, well that's that essentially. Now I just need to get it out of the bracket here, which I don't think is going to be too terrible. Famous last words and all. I think we go from the back side here. Yeah, that'll work. Okay. There's the hard lines. The connections. So that's all good there. Get that out of my way. Looks like we've got 3 bolts here. That one might be the trickiest and kind of the worst thing on the planet. It's like a bolt to like a bracket to the intake there, so hopefully that one won't be a total pain in the ass. Guess we're gonna find out, and then that's bracketed there, so it shouldn't move. Okay, we're just gonna go for it, folks. Here we go. Be aggressive is what we're gonna do here. Some like Chevrolet technician out there who's gonna have an aneurysm from this process that I'm attempting right now. Oh, that's what I wanted.
Well, you are alive.
I am. I am indeed. It's good.
He's good.
Trying to do an air sea compressor. You know anything about getting these out of here? Oh, well, that one's out. There it is.
Yeah.
These guys are like fucking jammed in there. Guess I'll keep wiggling with it and just screwing with it. I'm sure there's a way.
Well, ooh, that guy's nice.
It's
Ooh.
warm, yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's premium, yeah. It's pretty good.
Just keep,
Yeah, I guess I'll just keep wiggling it.
It'll come out.
good. It's good. There's someone really intelligent was like, I know what we'll do. We'll make the bolts run into the clutch.
Engineer this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good. And this one will run into the fan shaft. That's even better. God. This is just silly, by the way. This whole process here. I don't really know who it was at General Motors was like, I know what we'll do. We'll make this make no fucking sense. Thanks. Appreciate it. I can just fucking, god damn it, like shave the fucking, I don't know. I feel like there was some better way to do this than the way y'all did it, okay? I'm not an engineer, but if I had to guess, there was probably a better way. There we go. Oh yeah, look at that fucking pile of shit. Okay. It's hot. It should just, yeah, pretty easy. Okay, well, back in here. Our shaft ring back in. Shakier than Michael J. Fox. I don't think you heard me either because my microphone is over there. This video is a disaster already. But this little red plug that you just saw me switch, I switched it because it wasn't on this one. And the truck has got a plug-in for that. So I don't really know what that is or what it does, but, well, it's on that one now. So that's cool. And we'll just put this back in here. Maybe. Yeah, that'll be fine. Well. Go to your home. Okay. Put you on that box. Just bring this one back into place too. I don't know, but it is what it is. I wonder where these all go. Okay. Okay, you want to bring that over and there we go. There we go.
Tell you what.
There we go. We can put that back in a minute.
Yeah, it's got to rotate
Yeah.
this way. There.
There we go. Maybe. I need a little bit of massaging.
Was there? I guess you had.
Yeah, there's new seals. I put them on there already.
Yeah. O-rings or whatever.
Yeah. Kind of a washer with a rubber inside. Kind of a weird one.
Okay, cool. Nothing like a new AC.
Yeah, we're gonna see how well it'll go for me. Okay. I need the pry bar one more time. Put away. Push the little off on the bottom. Just pry this guy up just a little bit. Come on now. There we go. Just a little bit of awkward tension on that. Okay. Now we'll put everything back together and make sure that bolt's tight. Do an oil change, and then we'll get it recharged, which you guys won't see because I'm just going to take it somewhere to get that done, just to ensure that it is done 100% correctly and I don't screw it up. That should be all good. Go ahead and put this shit back on. God damn. It is. The engine is still exceptionally hot, so that's cool. I don't know what time it is. I know I need to hurry the hell up. Well, honestly, this isn't too difficult. It's not terrible. Just a little annoying here and there. Definitely have done, have done worse. So I thought it'd be a little quicker than this, but I guess that's what happens when you're learning. Things take a little bit longer than you anticipate sometimes. So I don't know where Les put the dipstick at, so that might be a problem. Yeah, it's torqued. Okay. And not break my entire knuckle. Again, is going to be the question. Just hang on there. Please, for the love of all that's holy. Okay. It is on everywhere. It is can be on. Okay. Magic. Serpentine belt is set correctly-ish. Should straighten itself out a little bit. Perfect. Okay. This put back on real quick. And it's oil change time. Which, you don't need to see that, really. So, yeah. That's what I'm going to do. I am not, however, going to bore you guys with that. So, there we go. This was a pain in my ass. But, here we are. Oh my god, it's been an hour. I think it's like 2 almost or something. That's brutal. Well, this took an unexpected turn, as I'm now under the car and in the parking lot of a Brakes Plus. Crazy how that works. I just happened to want AC, and then, well, I may or may not have left my toggle switch on and demolished my starter. And hopefully nothing else. So this is cool. This is why I don't like AC. If I didn't want the AC, none of this would be an issue. It's great. Why? So after the Brakes Plus fiasco, in which they destroyed my entire starter, which by the way sounded like a shake weight, after the fact, I then did not have AC, and they had also rolled down my broken driver's side window. So that forced me to fix the driver's side window, which was the entire reason for putting AC in the car, was because the driver's side window didn't work. So I ended up with air conditioning that worked after it. I ended up going to another shop and having it charged. I ended up with a working driver window and a brand new starter and brand new starter solenoid. So that escalated rather quickly. Well, folks, here we are, about 900 miles from home, just about. And, well, I'm in Texas now, officially. Made it this far, and the truck's battery shit the bed. So, we're gonna put a new battery in her. First experience at Texas O'Reilly's. So, I guess we'll be frequenting these guys a lot more. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna end the video here. This is just a video to get something out there for y'all, since it's been a little while. Without any more yapping, my name's Trey. Well, we don't know cars. Signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm a mechanic.